guys. Coming today, I'm going to use that cloud recipe to do a pour on some towels today. So we're going to see how that goes. I've already mixed my colors up. So we're just going to give it a go. Let's see. Looks like we're looking pretty good on the screen. Let me check it to make sure. Okay, so can't even get the bottle open. Okay. It's been in there for a while. I have to make some more. You don't really need that much for this towel. So, not going to put too much on it because I'll just be wasting paint. And then we're just going to give them a tilt. So, let's try moving this around a little bit. You know, I didn't even think about the sides because I was just kind of thinking about practicing. I'm thinking that it's going to be so much paint that it's going to go over the sides anyway. But I may be wrong. I know I'm all out of the video. Sorry about that. I may end up putting a little bit more on there. Just make sure I have enough paint. Okay. All right, let's get to the paint. No time like the right time. All right. I'm going to get paint on these hands all anyway. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first color I have, and my hands are just nasty. First color that I have is Arteza. It's Pearl Sapphire. So I'm using the Pearl Sapphire first. Let's see. Then I have silver, just silver. Let's see, it's just silver. Then I have my Payne's gray. And then I have cold gray. So I wanted to use, this is cold gray. Wanted to use some grays and blues to see what that would look like. All right. This one is my Pearl Sapphire. Didn't look like I got that much paint on that one. Don't want any paint left, but have a little bit left. I'll just hold on to it. I do feel like I need to add some more paint here. So when I get ready to tilt it, it'll have nothing to tilt to. Oh, too much paint. That's why I was using that little cap earlier. Just knew I was going to do that. Okay, we're going to add a little bit over here. Use cap this time. A little bit here. Okay, let's jump to the next color. Next color is that silver. It's not coming off that stick very well. Okay, I'm going to do the last two colors. Okay, this is going to be Payne's gray and then the cold gold. The cold gray. Just going to use this. My video likes to cut off. That looks really thick. This one is the cold gray. Oh, too much. Okay, I put my gloves off on. I had to take my gloves off. Camera stopped in the middle, so I had to get the video off and start back over. So let me get the gloves on so that I can do the tilt. And then we'll come back to the results. I'll bring you down to see what the results are. All right, let's do some tilting. Make sure I don't get it on the other towel while I'm tilting. It's a lot of paint. Okay. Touched a little bit of the edge. These cups are not the best. There we go. I think that's it. There we go. Okay. So the very first one is already creating some cells. I don't know if I got enough paint off of some of them. Like this one doesn't look like it. Hey, I'll be patient and see what happens instead of messing with it. I'm just gonna let it sit and see what happens, and I'll go over it with the torch. We'll come back and then we'll see what results we get in about maybe 15 minutes. But the very first one is already giving cell reaction. So I'll just wait and then we'll come back and we'll see what our results are. I'll bring you down to see in just a moment. Okay, I'm back, you guys. So I've let these sit for a while, probably, about 30 minutes. But the only one that did something from the 4 that I did was this one. That's the only one that gave me cells, and it wasn't that many. This one slightly did something, not much of anything. And then this one, nothing. And this one, nothing on that one as well. And then I did an extra one to see what would happen. Looks like that paint is too thin because it doesn't look like that first one, how thick the cells are on there. These cells look a little whoppity wop. So I don't know what happened with it. It's all the same paint. I don't know if maybe some will stretch more than the others, or you see how this one has more paint on it? It has more paint on it than these. The colors anyway. See how these colors are so faded? I didn't put as much color on these. But I will try again. Till the next time, you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will list the colors in the description below.